Overwhelmed by skincare? Don't worry, I've been there. Today, I'm going to be breaking down simple 5-step routine that is perfect for beginners. Whether you're starting fresh or fine-tuning your routine, this will definitely help you. And if you're new here, stick around because I've got some exciting updates of what's to come this year. Hello my loves, it's your girl Sissy Denike and welcome to another self-care series. Skincare isn't just about the product, it's about self-care and confidence. If your skin feels good, you feel good. I know starting can be overwhelming. Trust me, you do not need an expensive 10-step skincare routine. Just a simple 5-step routine can transform your skin. Your first step will be your cleanser. I always recommend a gentle non-stripping cleanser because this is going to help you remove your oil, dirt and makeup. The next step is going to be your toner. This helps to target dryness and dullness. It's also very soothing on the skin as well. Step 3 is application of serum. This is essentially good if you're trying to target some spot treatment. And it also gives you a glowing and radiant skin. Step 4 is hydration. It's like a protective shield. Always apply your moisturizer on a slightly damp skin. This enables maximum absorption. If you have an oily skin, a gel-based moisturizer will work, and for a dry skin, a rich cream moisturizer will do wonders for you. And my face is already glowing. Look at that. Finally, the most important step is your sunscreen. This serves as an ultimate anti-aging tool, protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. You can use any SPF 30 and above. For this is SPF 50, and it gives me the proper protection I need. Even when you are indoors, even if it is snowing outside, make sure to apply your sunscreen. Sunscreen is not just for the days that you're outside in the sun, it's for everyday use. You can layer all your products, you can layer all the serums. If you skip sunscreen, it's like you're just applying product. So this is the most important step, which is application of your sunscreen. Now let's avoid common skincare mistakes. Make sure you do not skip any step. Number 2, avoid overloading your routine. Start simple and you can add more product later on. And the third mistake, skipping sunscreen. Make sure you don't skip sunscreen. It's very, very important. You know, life gets busy and there are days I barely even remember to do all this step. But one thing I've realized is making a quicker version of this 5-step, and it actually does make a difference. Skincare is all about showing up for yourself, even in small ways. Remember, it's progress, not perfection. This year, I'm going to be creating more content to make skincare simple and fun. From beginners, routines to advanced tips. I want to help you glow up in every possible way. Plus, I'll be sharing a self-care challenge like 75 days of me romanticizing my life to inspire you. Are you ready to glow in 2025? Try this simple 5-step routine and let me know in the comment section what products you'll be using for your skincare journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who is ready to start their skincare journey. And let's glow together. See ya. Bye.